Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about an extraordinary story surrounding a couple on social media. Irish-Saxon couple got arrested thieving more than $1 million US worth of luxury clothes, and then posting back the clothes them on social media. Stunting. It has to be studied. It has to be. The headline reads, Jamaican dancehall promoter. Make sure to start off with that so they make you know exactly what I want. Irish-Saxon dancehall from, see, foreign media guy. Foreign journalists. Me be going to substitute out the word Jamaican for Irish-Saxon. That's all my request. Let them story just put Irish-Saxon dancehall promoter and his wife accused. Stealing more than $1 million worth of clothes. $1 million US clothes. Lululemon. Look, me see be a Gucci, me see all kind of something. The bad mind turn up, me have to talk about it. Me have to talk about it. If America have MAGA, then Jamaica need Missa. If America have MAGA, then Jamaica need Missa. That's MISSA. Make Irish-Saxons sane again. Because they done lost their mind. Make Irish-Saxons sane again. All this time they are, but I'm disappointed in the PIE and the Patreon squad. I tell you why I'm disappointed now. All this time they are bad mind scammer. All this time they are bad mind DJ. When you couldn't tell me that the fashion influencers have it like that. When you couldn't tell me that the influencer them really around the place. $1 million US worth of thief in clothes. And that's just from Lululemon. Imagine how much them thief from Gucci. Can you see one picture here? So Gucci socks, Gucci slippers, Gucci shorts. Bad mind turn up. I've been wasting my bad mind this whole time. Wasting it on scammers. See the Irish-Saxon dancehall promoter J Icon. Now J Icon are you to put on parties and them something down, you know. People at the streets that know about him and tell us, so them man they are top man. If you say nothing about him, people tell us say the bad man him for him things and well, I know me expose him. See that big foreign newspaper expose him front page. All him wife, Apple. He says the couple show off their lavish lifestyle on their social media pages where they are seen sporting luxury clothing and expensive accessories. It has to be studied why the Irish-Saxon. All when time a thief, them a thief. The clothes them still can't avoid the spotlight. You a thief clothes and then I muggle back the same clothes them. So they mention one part that's about the children them also. Well, we're going to skip over that part because the people them not send them parents them got thief nothing. Right? The people never wear clothes the parents come give them. It's a multi-state operation them around. You know? The couple had stolen goods from stores in Utah, Colorado, New York, Connecticut. Then get all up on all Minnesota, you know. Multi-state. Me but man a push the head coat across the border. Them man a push thief in close across the border. J Icon them a push thief in close across the border. The man have a multi-state operation, you know. When you see people fly down from foreign sometime, I want to see how much Gucci and how much Fendi. Only I get red. Sometimes better on the dust. Look the next way. Cause clothes are not really nothing for bad mind the body for anyway. I mean, if you go ready, it can be for clothes, but you know Irish-Saxons worship them thing there. The Mayaga red for sitting, you can't be close. Close. But sitting there, make or break. In our culture. Because already, of course, I understand everybody likes nice things. There's nothing wrong with treating yourself to a nice shoes and a nice this and a nice that. Right? The problem is how much you worship them. Because you have to realize so you worship the clothes and the boot them. When you talk about you love God, and that God you want to talk clothes and boot. When time they get old and pan in Minneapolis, I try smuggle out some more clothes. Then pull the race card and say, is it cause I is black? And the people them left. I guess them go home and I laugh and I say, yeah, it work. Never know, say there was a bigger mission I planned for them. End up go lamp on them. See them there? Bad mind turn up. Bad mind turn up. Watch your dog socks. Watch your dog socks no man. All this time I waste my time. A bad mind scammer. And a fashion influencer as I should have pre. Catchy socks. Catchy socks no man. Green and black. I want the Calabar man. The Calabar ex-student this. When you say rubber lock, Ghana champs in green and black Gucci. Has to be studied. Irish socks stands. See, this is what no found no realize. I'm telling you all the time, no found no. I cause animosity on the home over a lie. So enough man see Apple look a certain way and profile a certain way and start compare a female woman who might not look so. And start show all women some little bad vibes. Cause I say live up to Apple standards. Then time the Apple standards is a lie. It's fictional. Enough women are compare them man to J Icon. How come you can't wear Gucci socks and Gucci slippers? Look on your underpants are Hanes. Where did the life? When Tanyana go rubber the way and pull down your pants, she said, what that? Fruit of the loom brief? Yo, put on your pants and go on where you go. You mad? Not even one Versace. Where you take this thing for? Start compare them man to people them on social media and the whole time it's a lie. It's a lie and then the lie crumble and next thing you know international news. International news? Huh? International news. See there? Mugshot gone viral. Now, this is why I'm telling the founder man to stop holding a woman to social media woman standards because social media is unicorn meat. Social media is unicorn meat because social media is all about perfection. Eliminating all quote unquote flaws. You gotta tell you in your heart you resent all your woman. How come my woman skin not perfectly smooth out so? She need to do better. Cause look on Apple. Perfect. But then one time the mugshot go drop. And you go see say I really so Apple. It has to be studied. And again, I don't want nobody say, yo, go off. I'm not. It's nothing personal against Apple. I'm just saying, for the man, them out they will love all them women to social media standards. And see picture post up. And see the dolly. Looking dollified. It no real, brother. Right now, some things are selling in a cosmetic shop. Where not even Harry Potter skills so. And me understand. Girls just wanna have fun. Women like good and glam up themselves. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. But me I talk to uno man we love compare and size up for uno woman with uno on social media. I'm telling you guys, it's unicorn meat. The mugshot not matching the IG pic. Apple don't go tell your friend them say me and this and you know you can't wait for me dead cause you know you can't wait for top banks man them go so right. It's nothing personal, Apple. I'm just saying the mugshot pic not matching the IG pic. Social media your favorite influencers. What we are seeing on the gram is not what's going on in real life. On the gram, everybody is so rich and so sexy and so flawless. Last time, I tell the man out there who love size up and compare phone with woman. Go on and sip on the gram. The gram is unicorn meat, bro. On the phone with woman who size up phone with man, compare them to people like Jamaican. Look on that, him can buy feet woman 5 Gucci bag. And look how long me here talking, you can't buy me one. What kind of man this? Because that's how men get measured, apparently. Needle one bag and make out a crocodile clitoris. Them exotic material let us make out of. Enough man meet woman when time the woman was in the prime of her beauty. Him and the woman get old together. Naturally, father time start to win the battle. Then all of a sudden, start make some talk. Cause him go up on Instagram and see say the dolly bosom like the Eiffel Tower. Then all of a sudden, pay disrespect him again, woman. When him go through so much with because in their mind him start to have a cyber relationship with the dolly. Them see Apple. And in a female now, Apple is now the standard. And him wife and yard can't measure up to the standard. But the standard is not even a real standard. And again, it's not personal. I'm just using a case study here. Too much I idolize unicorn meat. This is some Harry Potter business. I dropped the video because no found woman out there violate solid men because them can't live up to the unicorn expectations of people like J. Icon. Falsely. If you don't know. No found a man out there violate good women because they cannot live up to the unicorn expectations. Fed to no. Falsely. By the dolly them like Apple. Make Irish Saxon sin again. How do you thief $1 million worth of clothes from one business? And the best you can come up with is to go up on the gram, go pose up. Has to be studied. Irish Saxons thief, push the head coat, do all kind of sitting. Don't even up with the money anyway. People are going around living vicariously through influencers and celebrities. Them time that they influence and celebrity enough time. Down bad, worse than all them. If you truly knew what enough of your influencer them go through to put on the unicorn meat image or them selling them, you'd feel sorry for them, you wouldn't idolize them. I've come across some of these influencers in our real life, and trust me, the feeling wasn't envy, it was pity. Imagine the stress of continuously trying to prove to other Irish Saxons so you have it like that, and you know you don't. Imagine, I don't envy these people, I feel sorry for them. Must be a great mental toll to pay. Oh, them man that top man come watch a boom. I be a Gucci, them man that run them man they go say boom and I be a Louis Vuitton bro, chain on none. I mean, let me say, that's cool, that's alright, can treat yourself. But not get carried away now. Not get carried away now. Now you see why indentured serve every time Irish Saxon get out them say, oh, look man, the whole of the wholesaling man, the whole of this and that, Mr. Chin one off that and Mr. Singh one off that and man from Wuzungung one off. The Irish Saxons, them have the money. They're too busy concerned buying clothes to impress strangers. Man, they can thief $1 million worth of clothes from one place. And the best thing can come up with is to go buy back more clothes and pose up on gram. See picture there with side eye van upon the dog pants. Mad thing. Any go in there and say, yo, somebody study them money thing, man, because the money thing shaking because I say, yo, you bad man, the dog, so come let's get a youth back there shine. Alright. We'll see my shine there now. Front page Daily Mail. That shining is international recognition. See, theme pants are leather. And you're one a corduroy. Remember Cardi Rai? The veteran them used to beat some bad Cardi Rai pants back in the day still and all, some velvet style. One of them style are coming back one day. But a unicorn meat guy. Unicorn meat. Stop mash up on a home and relationship. Sake I wanna see on social media from influencers. Not for your favorite influencer them. Man, I live finger to mouth. Not even hand to mouth. Finger to mouth. You that your workplace, I look on them and say, boy, look on them, boy, they might better one. You don't know a finger to mouth business. But Instagram is a place where you can create any reality you want. I'm just upset because this whole time I've been bad-minding scammers. This whole time. That the fashion influencer them should have free. I'm disgusted with myself and I'm disappointed in the PA and Patreon squad. They never point me in the right direction, bro. The influencer them. They say if you're good, they say if you're a bad man. It has to be studied. Patreon squad, big up on yourself, PA. You don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.